little bit of Texas Chainsaw. I just like the rawness of it. My sons always thought that movie was not a movie. They said, "Dad, that's real."
Did you watch
That's
that
not.
game?
Yeah.
Did you watch that game?
I have.
You did? Did you think they did a good job?
I haven't seen the new show.
Yeah.
But I've seen a lot of documentaries and everything on that dude. I got drawings of that dude and Leatherface. I'm just into that.
Let me go find out you got some vulvas in your closet. Ripped off vulvas.
Right? Whole body suit and shit.
Oh, hell
nah, man, nah.
Chucks his wiener and shit.
What was it, Buffalo Bill?
Yes.
Buffalo Bill. Buffalo Bill, I'd fuck him.
I was about to say that.
I was about to say